Fun Science with Kid Bright. This episode, the Little Racers and the Tuk Tuk Kid. Hi little racers and kids. We have a great mission for you to be a world representative racer in the Galaxy Speed Championships. Here, take this. Wow! What is it? This is the Tuk Tuk Kid. You will have to use your own abilities to assemble and customize it in order to make your Tuk Tuk Kid win the competition. So, first, you have to learn about Tuk Tuk Kid, on what it is, what are the components. So wait no more. Let's go on a mission. Mission 1. We need to get to know Tuk Tuk Kid first. Tuk Tuk Kid is a small artificial car that can run along a line. We can set the route for the car to run along the path that we want. The main components of Tuk Tuk Kid include the acrylic base, which is to be used as the car base, pieces of cardboard that will be used as the car's body, KB chain 2CH 1 amp DC motor driver, geared motor, 2 car wheels, front wheel, 20 cm long 5-pin JST-XH female cables, a reflective optical sensor board, screws, M3 30mm nuts and screws, plastic plates for holding the motor, some plastic spacers, plastic wheel lock bushes, double-sided adhesive tape, a short micro USB cable, 1 power bank, and our hero, a Kid Bright board. Other peripherals include racetracks that the car can run along. Well done! Mission number 1 is now complete. Here is a racer's helmet. Let's now focus on the next mission. Mission 2. Assemble Tuk Tuk Kid. Let's solder the wires of the JST-XH female cable to the motors. Solder the red wire to the upper terminal of motor 2. Solder the orange wire to the lower terminal of motor 2. Solder the gray wire to the upper terminal of motor 1. Solder the black wire to the lower terminal of motor 1. Next, installing motor number 1 and motor number 2 at the bottom side of the plastic base. Install clear plastic plates on the acrylic base to hold both motors. 2 plates per 1 motor. Place motor number 1 and 2 into their plastic plates just installed so that their terminals face each other. Tighten the screws to attach to the motors firmly with their plastic plates. After that, we need to assemble the wheels with both motors, 2 wheels on the outside and 2 lock bushes on the inside. Apply small plastic spacers to attach the motor driver board to the plastic base. Insert the JST-XH female header that is connected to the motors into the male connector of the motor driver board. Take another JST-XH cable and then plug its header into the male socket that is on the bottom side of the motor driver board. Plug the other side of the female header into the middle male socket of the optical sensor board. Next, we will install the optical sensor board on top of the motor driver. Install 4 medium-sized plastic spacers to the plastic base in order to keep the optical sensor board above the motor driver board. Then tighten screws to secure the spacers firmly. Attach the optical sensor board and secure it with a screw. Then install the front wheel to the plastic base by using 4 screws altogether. Turn the plastic base to the upright position. Take another JST-XH cable and then insert its header into the male socket that is on the right hand side of the optical sensor board. Insert the other side of the cable through the round hole of plastic base. Plug it into Kit Bright board sockets. Apply 2 pieces of 30mm plastic spacers to the plastic base. Use the double-sided adhesive tape to attach the power bank to the plastic base. It is noted that the power bank's outlet should be right next to the Kit Bright board for easy operations. Attach the Kit Bright board to 30mm plastic spacers and tighten with screws. Connect the power bank to the Kit Bright board through the micro USB cable in order to supply power to the board. Next, assemble all cardboard pieces to the car frame that we have made. For any of you kids, you may paint and make it more attractive. Before your car can run, a command block must be created on the Kit Bright IDE program using your computer. First of all, a Kit Bright IDE program is needed. If you don't have one, you will need to download it. See the download instruction at worldwideweb.kit-bright.org. Next, download the Kit Bright plugin of the motor driver board. Visit worldwideweb.kit-bright.org. Then click Download tab. Select Motor Plugins at the bottom left corner of the web page. Let's install the plugin. Run the Kit Bright IDE program. Click on the Plugins tab. which is one on the top left of the program, and then click Install Plugins. Select the downloaded file and click Open. The KidWrite IDE program will automatically be closed and reopened. This means that the plugin installation is now done. Next, we will need to create a set of instructions for the Tuk Tuk Kid. Start by opening the KidWrite IDE and write blockly code. Following these steps, the first part of the code defines the sensor variables. In this instruction set, we will define variable B1 to represent data from sensor bit 0 and variable B2 to represent data from sensor bit 10. The next instruction block is to check if both B1 and B2 are equal to 0 or not. If true, it will activate motor number 1 and 2 to run at 50% of their full speed equally. The result is that the car will run straight. The next instruction block is to check if B1 and B2 are 0 and 1, respectively or not. If yes, it means that only sensor B2 finds the line. So motor number 1 and 2 will run at 70% and 55% of the full speed. As a consequence, the car will make a slight left. Similarly, the next instruction block is to check if B1 and B2 are 1 and 0, respectively or not. If yes, it means that only sensor B1 finds the line. So, motor number 1 and 2 will run at 55% and 70% of the full speed. As a consequence, the car will make a slight right. The last block is to check if B1 and B2 get 1 or not. If yes, motor number 1 and 2 will run at 0% of the full speed equally, so the car will stop running. Select and drop a forever loop block and then keep all the blocks inside it. Next, connect the micro USB cable between the KidWrite board and the computer. Build and flash the program to the board. That's it! Our Tuk Tuk Kid is now ready to enter the race. Great! Wow! Fantastic! Mission number 2 is now completed. Here is a high-speed turbo motor. It's for you. How is your Tuk Tuk Kid assembly? Oh, so cool! We should be ready to go to the race. So, let's go to the next mission. Mission number 3, the Tuk Tuk Kid race. Okay, we got our KidWrite board programmed. Get the KidWrite board powered up by plugging it to the power bank using the micro USB cable. The car is now ready to race. Get ready at the start point. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Fantastic! Mission number 3 is now completed. Here is the Galaxy Speed Champion Cup. You have now got a reputation for the world across the galaxy. You are absolutely brilliant. All the kids are very good, but other missions are still waiting for you to help the world. Don't forget to keep track of our incoming clips.